Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For English Year 3, today we will continue Unit 8, Mr. Rooster and Friends, Part 2. Okay, we had learned last week about Mr. Rooster and friends. Mr. Rooster, ayam jantan dan kawan-kawannya. Okay, Mr. Rooster like to... Okay, kita ulang kaji semula ya. Mr. Rooster like to refer to the picture. Okay, tengok gambar di sini, perhatikan. Yes, Mr. Rooster like to cook. Mr. Rooster suka masak. There were not enough ingredients. Bahan-bahan. Okay, bahan-bahan untuk masak tidak cukup. He asked from his friends. He asked from his friend. Dia minta tolong daripada kawan-kawannya. They ate the porridge, bubur. Okay, untuk exercise latihan, okay, kita terus saja open your English activity book. Okay, buka buku aktiviti page 56. Okay, read and write. Baca dulu ya. Cikgu baca, murid ikut. He asked from his friends. He asked from his friends. Okay, ini gambar yang pertama. Picture number 1. Okay, picture number 2. They ate the porridge together. They ate the porridge together. Picture number 3. Then he started to cook. And last picture, there were not enough ingredients. Okay, gambar di sini, susunan gambar di sini tidak betul. Jadi tugasan kamu ialah write, tulis. Tulis pada padanan yang betul for number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4. Okay, tuliskan mana susunan yang betul. Okay, apa yang mula-mula sepatutnya? Yes. There were not enough ingredients. Bahan-bahan untuk memasak tidak cukup. Ditulis di sini. Okay. Then, number 2. Yes, he asked from his friends. Mr. Rooster, ayam jantan, minta daripada kawan-kawannya. Miss Kitty, Mrs. Mouse and Mr. Goat. Okay, tulis di sini, he asked from his friends. Okay, number 3. Then he started to cook. Kemudian dia pun mula masak. And number 4, they ate the porridge together. Mereka pun makan bubur bersama-sama. Okay, good. Okay, next exercise is open page 57. Kat muka surat 57. Okay. Read and tick. Yang ni kamu kena baca dan tandakan mana yang betul ya dalam pilihan tu. Okay. Mr. Rooster likes to cook. He wanted to cook porridge. There were not enough ingredients. He asked from his friends. Mr. Rooster was happy. Then he started to cook. They ate the porridge together. Ketik, tandakan tanda betul. The correct pictures. Mana gambar yang betul ya? Okay, number 1. Okay, which one is the correct? Mr. Rooster or Mrs. Mo wanted to cook porridge? Mana yang betul? Okay, tandakan ya. Okay, number 2. There were not enough. Enough apa? Ingredients. Yang mana satu gambar yang menunjukkan ingredients? Yang ni atau yang ni? Okay, number 3. Mr. Rooster was happy or sad? And last one, they add the noodles or porridge together. Okay? Okay, good. That's all for today. Till next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.